Hide a cache, they say. It'll be fun, they say. I'm about to show you what it takes to be a responsible cache owner. Okay, so one of the cache owner responsibilities is to address all and any logs that ask for maintenance of your cache. I'm currently in Kirkland. I'm at the Brown Bag Cafe. It's permanently closed. I put my cache down on the property in between Sherry's and the Brown Bag Cafe. Called it Brown Sugar. Of course, I needed the name of a song title, and I couldn't name the business in either the description or on the title of the cache. So let me show you what I got. So the last cacher asked me to update the log or get another one because it's filled up. It's pretty popular and it's gotten some favorite points, so I'm here to address it. And I'll show you once it's all done how I put it together. Okay, I used my official geocaching logbook roller, or logbook, or log roller for short. It fits nicely in this tube. See? Okay, my geocache is now put all back together. Okay, now let's put it back in place.